Hey, here we go. This is not our last tidbits, but we're getting
on the
there.
countdown.
We are getting there, kids. We thought we would touch base with you real quick before we reopen the store next week. And we have our bullet points, except for I forgot to put the bullets. But anyway, so we're going to go over some of the rules. This is the first time we've had rules in here, I think.
No, we've had rules. They just haven't been followed.
Yeah, by ourselves mostly. Okay, starting next Monday, May 20th. That would be next
15th.
Oh, I'm sorry.
May 15th.
See, the brain is fried. May 15th, on Monday, May 15th, we will open up at 10 a.m., not 9:45.
The doors will not open until 10.
Right. So Monday through Saturday next week, the 15th through the 20th, 10 to 4.
And
okay?
they will close at 4.
Yeah, because we will probably be wrecks by then. Anyways, so what we're going to offer you is the fabric will all be $7 a yard. Minimum cuts, we're going to do 1 yard minimum cuts. Okay?
You can get a yard and an eighth, you just can't get less than a yard.
Right.
You can get any increment over a yard.
Okay. We will have other goodies on sale. Now, this includes any kits we have left, any notions we have left. They'll all be 50% off. Plus, we have, if you want to take a little piece of material rewards home with you, we have racks, kids. If you want something.
There's odds and ends. I mean, we have a sewing table that we're needing to rehome. There's a lot of things. So,
yeah. So
other things to look at than just the fabrics.
Right. So that will be it. Don't bother bringing bags because we decided that to make it easy for you all, we went out and we got the big craft bags. So don't bother bringing your bags. They're just going to impede your motion and you'll have to worry about hauling them around. So don't bother bringing them back. One very important thing, we are having very limited staff. The 4 sisters are doing this. Debbie, me, Kate, and Marty, ages oldest to youngest. So there will be just the 4 of us. You're going to have to be patient. If there's a line, be happy and converse with the person next to you, all right? We'll do our best.
It'll be fun.
It'll be fun. And our sales usually are fun. Everybody talks and laughs. Marty, you talk about this.
Okay, so one of the things that we have been suggesting to people is to go through the kits that you have in your stash and look for backings. I mean, this is a great price to find backings for those quilts, the kits that you have. You can refer back to, I mean, what I would suggest doing and what has worked so far, take a picture of the kit so that it has maybe on the label the size and the name, and then it will give you maybe a general color or idea of colors that you're looking for. And then you can refer back to our tidbits from March 21st. And we tell you how to figure backings. So you can go in and you can make yourself a list. So for this kit, I need this much backing. This kit, I need this much backing. At $7 a yard, you'll never find it cheaper than that to get the backings to finish those projects.
And the problem is we don't know how things are going to play out. We don't know if we're going to be extremely busy or not, but we won't have time to help you. Right. That's going to be the big thing. Please don't come in and ask us to pick out
to help you pick out, and unfortunately this is just not going to be the sale to help you pick out quilts.
Yeah, if you come in to try to pick out a watercolor quilt that took 20 fabrics, we will probably
have fun.
We'll see you later. Marty and I will run screaming at that point.
No, it's just unfortunate. I'm hoping that we'll have people here that will, that we just
keep us company.
That will keep us busy.
We'll wait and see. The other thing too, and remember this was from back when we were open, it's better off if you use checks or cash because you can use credit cards. You absolutely can use credit cards, but they charge you and they charge us. So it's our personal mission.
So there will be a fee added on to your
it's our personal mission not to give those credit card companies any more money than we have to. But you're absolutely welcome to use them if you prefer that. So that's certainly an option. What we're going to do is underneath this, I think, you had talked about we were going to do pictures.
Yeah. So, we did have some questions, phone calls about people wanting to know if we still had enough inventory. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a little slideshow in the end. We can't show you certain parts of it because we're still not quite 100% clean.
Yeah.
But we'll give you an idea of what we still have left. So, okay, I think that's it.
Yep, I hope so.
Hopefully we'll see you next week sometime.
Bye.